Open my slime with me. I got Stylish Matters Gooey Slime and I can't wait to open it. Okay, so here are the textures. There is gloss, clear, butter, and cloud, the ones I really want is either butter or gloss. I can't wait to see what I got. Okay, let's open it. Ugh, can't wait to see what I get. I hope something good. Oh, wait a minute. I think I got clear. Maybe. I think I got clear. There's like a chance I got. Oh, it's okay. Okay, now let's open it. Okay, there's like a step guide. Okay, here's like the putty, I think? I don't know. Here is the balls. Here is the fore reveal. I don't know what that means. Here are the charms. And I got the hold on, wait. I got the clear slime. And there is also some sparkle. This container looks so adorable. Like, are you serious? That's so cute. I think you put the slime in here. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to work. Okay, first we reveal the putty. Oh no, I don't know if it's like a stick or anything. I don't know. Okay, I finally got the slime out. But the thing is, the reason why I didn't want clear is because it could be super sticky. So that's why I didn't kind of want it. But it's still really good. Okay, let's just put it in the container. Oh my gosh, it's falling! Okay, so let's put it in here. Okay. Step 2, some fuzzy balls. Okay, apparently I gotta put these fuzzy balls into the thing. There we go. Okay, step 3, put the decorate with the beads and charms. I got it. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, so charms fell out. No! Okay, we got the charms back. Step 4, reveal minifig. Here it is. I bet we're gonna get the fox. Oh, that's so cute. Step 5, add the glitter. Okay, it was really messy, but I finally got the glitter in there. Now let's mix. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the results. The only downside of this is that it's really sticky. I still love it. I recommend.